The water level of the Yamuna River continues to be above the danger mark. The authorities are attributing the release of water from the upstream barrages in Haryana to the rising water level of the Yamuna. My colleague Ishika gets us this ground report.
The Yamuna water level has breached the danger mark which is at 205.33 meters. So certainly now it is a moment of high alert for the entire national capital. If we talk about the Delhi government has already issued directions to the PWD, MCD, Railways, Irrigation and Flood Control Department and the Disaster Management to ensure regular patrolling. We are currently present in the boat and we are showing you as to how far up, the water level of Yamuna has now come to be. Now, in fact, the advisory is also being issued for those who are living in the low-lying areas. Since morning, we have been reporting as to how the teams of DDMA and all are going and, in fact, asking people, to stay away from the embankments and also to find a better location. Now, what we are also getting to know is that the Chief Minister, the Delhi Chief Minister is also on the ground. She's inspecting the entire area, be it the ITO, be it, in fact, the Met Cafe or be it the boat club, the Yamuna Bazaar, all of this and, accordingly issuing directions to the officials as well. Remember, the last time when the flood came in Delhi, the water level was at 208.66 meters. So how will, the situation pan out certainly is now the big question. Now with camera person Ashok Mahale, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.